Thank you for joining me at 5 Minute Mechanic. Today we are going to rebuild this deck. We got a couple of the spindles that need to be replaced. The blades are loose and wobbly, so we're going to hurry and take this apart and try and get it put back together. This is a 5/16, or I believe would be like a number 8. This is the only one that's good right now. This one is fine up here, but the blade wobbles a lot. Move this cover. You can see how much play there is in this one. This one, maybe the bearing's okay, but the blade is loose. I'll start with this one because I know it's bad. This belt's only mowed twice and it's got shreds in it already. We've got a number 10. Maybe. Nothing. It worked. That was easier than expected. It's definitely not the way it used to be. quite hexagonal anymore. Close. You can see how much play is in that. And that's a problem. So let's see if we can get these spindle bolts loose. Yep, that's wonderful. So I guess what you get with 20-plus-year-old hardware. Well, I don't know if the new spindle came with new bolts. Let's hope it did. Oh, this is going to be any better. With some promise. See what happens. Got some heat to it. That'll be our 5 minutes for today. Thank you for joining me at 5 Minute Mechanic. Remember, it's 5 minutes a day. Get your projects done.